As part of our base package at Retlia, we include the ability to create a 360-degree profile of each of your customers. And this includes bringing in your data from across all of your different systems. This can include multiple e-commerce websites, your ERP or POS, Amazon, and even marketing behavior, wherever you have data about your customer, which is really powerful for all kinds of use cases like targeting your marketing, analyzing customer segments, creating promotions, and even some interesting ones like looking for fraud or possible abuse or personalization across your website and everything that you do. So here's an example. And of course, this isn't real customer data, but it is an example from a real customer where we've just changed the information slightly, but this is a real example that comes up. And so first you can see that we use phonetic matching to where we've created a profile of a person, and the algorithm was really able to match that customer well without creating false positives. And we were able to match them across multiple different systems. And then from that, you can see that they have a lot of different addresses, phone numbers, and email addresses that are put in here. And they wouldn't be exact matches or perfect matches if you were just doing your standard data matching. But because of our phonetic matching and some of the other cleaning up and algorithms that we use, which are unique to Retlia, including patterns developed based on research out of Stanford, we're able to match each of these and understand that this is one person and see what they're doing across all of our different data. And then on top of that, there's all kinds of ways that you can use this to, for example, make sure that your WooCommerce includes all of the data that you need about this customer, like a complete address with the city and state and the phone. And so there's some really powerful, just basic things that can make your systems more usable. But then we can really get into some advanced stuff. So for example, we can see that this customer used 3 different emails to make purchases on WooCommerce. And then when we look down here at his purchases, we can see he made 3 purchases in one day of the same item. So are they abusing our promotional pricing by using 3 different email addresses? Or are they just somebody who loses track of their login and struggles to get into their account? Well, I can also see a complete history of this customer and start to build a profile of their interest. And then across all of our data, we can do this for any customer. So we can start to build an idea of what might be their next purchase and what should we be promoting to them. And it also creates a really good data set for things like AI or personalization. All of your data in one place, cleaned and complete, ready for your algorithms, your analysis to run. Imagine things like product recommendations or dynamic marketing based not just on their profile out of one of your systems, but on a profile merged across all of your systems and everything that customer has done. And so you can see how the data warehouse and the ability to match across these customers builds the basis of data that has a bunch of really powerful use cases. And all of that's available in our base package for every customer of Retlia.